it's Tori here, and today I have a little cool experiment for me to do. Sorry if I kind of jump a little bit on the words. I have the hiccups right now. There's my kitty!
She's losing the kitty. We have a kitty that's named Yogi.
Her name is Loki.
This is her skin.
It's her fur. And she's not part of what today's video is about. So, for my birthday, I got a really cool doll that came with an experiment set.
We'll go get the doll.
No, don't. You don't know what it is. Okay, so it is a volcano creation set. So here's what you're going to need if you want to just make this at home. You're going to need some vinegar. You're going to need some baking soda.
I got Yogi.
Some dishwashing detergent, but it's optional, and optional food coloring. Okay, so with that all out the way, literally, let's begin. So first, we're going to want to take... Oh, wait. I'm missing something. Just to say, a spoon for our baking soda.
Yes! That way I did this. I did this.
No one cares. Okay, so if you have a half teaspoon cup, well, half tablespoon cup, you're going to want to put it in there twice. But it's supposed to only take one.
Yeah.
So, now we put some dish detergent in there. Next, we're going to put optional food dye. Our food dye choice is going to be 2 drops of blue. Bella, now, stop. Okay. So, a little more baking soda for good measure. You guys see that? Here, I'll move. Next, we're going to put 1 pipette
Vinegar.
of vinegar. Stop saying my lines. Did I fill it up to the top? Didn't work. Okay.
Tori,
Now
next
we got
time,
that.
can you get Elizabeth to come over?
Oh. Now let's try. Oh, you can't see the blue. Now let's add some more. I know, it looks so cool, doesn't it?
Clapping.
I know. We were really excited with this experiment too. Ooh, and the color on the plate's looking really cool too.
So you can see
Okay. Time to make an explosion of awesomeness.
Yeah.
So first what we're going to do is dump all of this out.
And then do it again.
Bella. Well, sort of. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take one load of baking soda. Bella, stop messing with the food dye. Because that's our next step. So we're going to add a few drops of blue, then a few of red.
So, can we do purple?
That's right.
Instead, it's pink.
Well, too bad. Well,
and the blue are mixing together. Cool.
I wish you could see this better, but my camera's really crappy. So is this experiment. So, here's what we're gonna do. Gonna put more here.
To cover it up.
That's correct, Bella.
And to stop
You're definitely
showing.
correct on my channel. You must feel so proud. Don't. Oh, wait. We gotta add more food dye. So this time, let's add yellow and
blue.
blue.
Wonder what this is gonna turn into.
Let's add another drop of yellow for good measure.
And
Now
another
it's looking gross, so let's add more blue. Perfect. You guys, if you're watching this channel, should know those colors equal. If you don't, you'll find out. Kitty, get out of the shot.
Yeah, because you're not around in the shot. Is that right, Toy?
If you can see that good enough, you'll see it's green.
Yeah, on the screen.
It's not limeish, it's just green. My mom just stepped in. Never mind, she did not. But you can obviously see her back there in her Hello Kitty pants. Hi.
Will you be in the shot?
Not really. Bye.
Too bad you're in the shot. And as you can see, the pipette made a farting sound.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is starting to get boring. So,
You gonna cover it
look
up?
at all this baking soda.
You gonna cover it up? You gonna cover it up, Toy?
Hey, Bella, you want a job?
Yeah.
You get to sit behind the camera.
Behind?
Mm-hmm. It's a cool job.
No.
Fine, what do you want to do then?
I just want to sit here.
You do?
Mm-hmm. Just want to sit here.
How are we going to do this? No, kitty. There. Bella, you need to move.
No.
Yeah, because we're moving this over here.
And then I can be up here.
That way we have some better light. I think my cat's trying to lick stuff up from the floor. Okay, now time to mix red and yellow. Because we're boring people. We're boring, bland people. No conspiracies at all.
Yeah. Kids not allowed to eat soup.
Human food, or else you'll get worms.
Mm-hmm.
One drop, and it's yellowish. So to fix that, we must add a ton load of red and yellow. There we go. Perfect. The red looks like blood.
Yeah, you think you just...
So, what do? We add more yellow, which also looks like blood. But don't worry about that right now. Just worry about the experiment. Nothing else. We do not own any conspiracies. We are not part of any conspiracies, and if you think that, you will die. I mean, yeah! We're perfectly normal people.
But killer people.
No, we're not.
That you were using the vinegar.
I was, and I still crap. Yes, I still crap. For any of you who didn't know. Stop. You're embarrassing yourself. And you're also kind of embarrassing me. Ooh. Bubbles. Oh. Ooh, looks like there's some baking soda off to this side. Most of the people probably go to my science class, so you probably worked with the white substance thing.
And you're gonna do this at science class?
No, we're probably not, but there's a chance, because this is kind of for science and stuff. Of course. Because we're weirdos. And wackadoos.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm not thanking you. Whoa, what's happening? You don't need to know.
I'm sewing this.
Because we're weirdos.
Yeah, because I'm sewing this.
There. Now cover it in blue.
Now pat it.
No.
Pat.
No.
You make it like a butterfly.
Not even close to a butterfly. So don't say that. We are not copywriting butterflies. So we cover this back up. Add a few more drops of blue. Because we're weird like that. I think my kitty's trying to get back in the shot. No, Bella. You're not allowed to touch this. You're not allowed to touch the pipette. There's something broken with my pipette. Bella, what did you do?
Nothing.
All falling out, so you obviously did something. Crap. No, we can't. You probably can't drink that. Oh well. Get your hand out of the shot. Okay, so we're just gonna have to pour this on at this point. Something's broken with our pipette. Okay, there's something seriously wrong with our cat right now. So, look down here. Loki, stop being a complete butt.
Hey, guess who is this?